Now that we know how to load a roll of media, let's go over how to load a sheet of media. Start by bringing the latch down to lift the push rollers. Next, take the sheet of media and slide it into the media slot just under the push rollers. Hold it in place if necessary and position the push rollers into place. Once the push rollers are in place, align the media by using the white notches on the front panel. Once aligned, latch the media to lock the media in place. Once again, this menu appears. Keep in mind that with a sheet of media, you can use the Roll 1 or Roll 2 options, but let's press the 3 key to select Sheet. Once again, it will start by finding all of the push roller locations, then senses for the front edge, and this time it also senses for the back edge as well. This method is useful in that it informs the cutter of the total cut area of the sheet. This, in turn, helps the software, such as Cutting Master 4, to adjust the cutting area on the screen.